Role Model. It's a 48 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance from the one and only Maddison Glover. There will be one restart that happens in this dance on wall 3 after 32 counts, but let me first show you the steps. Weight is on our left. We're going to walk forward 2 steps starting on right. Walk, walk. Cross samba with a quarter turn to our right. So we're going to slightly cross right over left, rock left out to the side, and then make a quarter turn to our right. So rock left, quarter turn right. Forward ball change, starting with our left, forward ball change, and the same with the right, forward ball change. Section 2. We're going to rock forward on our left and then take a big step back, dragging our right heel. So first the rock forward, recover. Big step back on left, dragging the right heel into a coaster step right, coaster step, and a step, quarter turn to the right. Section 3, cross left over right, hold, side behind, hold, side, cross rock, recover, chassé to the left, side, chassé. Next section, cross right over left, quarter turn, stepping back on left. We're going to step back on right. We're going to touch left next to right and bend slightly into our knees while we look over our right shoulder and snap our right fingers. We're going to stand upright again, take a forward step with left, half turn, stepping back on right. We're going to continue traveling over our left shoulder with a triple half turn or a triple shuffle turn. Next section, with our right, we're going to rock forward into a coaster step. So rock forward, recover left, coaster step. Rock forward left, recover right, into a coaster cross. So rock forward on left, recover on right, and then a coaster cross. Last section, side together, side step with right, side together, locking step forward, lock, shuffle step, step, lock, step. Rock forward on our left, recover right, and we're going to turn a half turn with a shuffle or a triple half turn, side together, step forward on left. That's the end of the 48 counts, and you begin the dance again facing 3 o'clock. So those are the steps. Let's put some counts to all of that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you begin the dance again with the walk, walk, cross samba. So those are the steps and the counts. As I mentioned, there is one restart that happens on wall 3 after 32 counts. Wall 3 begins facing 6 o'clock. So let me show you what that looks like and where the restart is. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the end of 32 counts, and you begin the dance again facing 3 o'clock. So that's Role Model. It's a great dance, and I hope you enjoy.